We're going to add some floor brakes to these 12-foot long benches, and they've got casters on there with locking wheels, but when people forget to unlock them and then drag them across the floor, you get flat spots on them and ruins the brakes too. So we're trying out some floor locks to see how these will work. So I added a 3D printed plastic, the flex plastic pad around that brake mechanism, because the metal, the spring steel of that had been worn down because of all the grit and stuff in the wheels. So I added this a few months ago. Seems to be holding up pretty well. Yeah, they look really good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, so I'm going to just set this pretty much in the center and mark for the holes, and then we'll pre-drill. And I didn't take into account that it's 1/2 or 3/4 inch ply along this end, so these are going to go into that unless I go at a fairly steep angle. And it is a 2x6 under there. Well, that's possible. That might work. What do you think? So, I'll tape my new pieces on here. And then I'll tape this to the end of the bench and see if that is enough information for people to make them function. And we'll see how these work out.